Is there a floor for Chinese equities?
I think certainly, as you just mentioned, the PBOC will prop up at a level, and certainly they will try to take some of the steam out as we see these markets going lower. Whether there is, an actual level that people are heading towards, it will depend on the other more broader market trends that are happening.
A very good day to you, Louise. We are technologies. I'm behind on my technology. I'm looking down because I'm blowing up my chart. Let's have a look at the chart. We're a smidge away from being back in a bear market in the MSCI Asia Pacific. This almost crept up on me this morning. What the Chinese do, what impact is that going to have on MSCI Asia? Is it going to bolster the case, or is it, as Bank of America would say, moral suasion only works in the short term?
Yeah, I think certainly what we've seen in the last couple of days, we've seen this little bit of a rally that's taken off some of the headwinds, but at the same time, it's a really strong environment for the US, and I think as that continues, we'll really struggle to see the rest of Asia coming up against that strong dollar, and so therefore certainly shorter term weakness.
Manus has just asked about the feed through to the MSCI Asia Pacific Index, Louise. Let's take this global as well. I've got a chart here on my Bloomberg showing that the big rally that we saw in China shares failed to boost the wider market. The Shanghai Stock Exchange, the Shanghai Composite against the MSCI All Country World Index here. Why have we seen that sort of, I don't want to say decoupling, but slight separation between China and the rest of the world? Do China's equity markets not matter so much right now to global equity markets?
I think we know with China that there is the ability to prop up and to make currency changes, and so therefore there is going to be this certain amount of decoupling. At the same stage, I think, China to an extent leads the rest of Asia as well. So, is it perhaps a sign to come?